Hello, this is Karen Ranzi. Another talk here for you on 3 tips for aging gracefully. As I'm getting older and I'm 66 now, I certainly don't feel any different than I did when I was 30. And over the younger years, I actually didn't feel well at all with severe cystic acne all over my face and my back, and also debilitating irritable bowel syndrome, numerous digestive issues. So for me, going to a whole food vegan and then raw vegan lifestyle was ideal. And so my 3 tips for aging gracefully, I say that 90% of it is what you put in your mouth. And I have seen it over and over again, not only in myself, but in people I've worked with for over 20 years, how going to a whole plant and raw plant way of eating is going to be the best for your hormones, your immune system overall, your gut health, losing weight, healing from all kinds of health challenges. This is really the way to heal and to grow healthy cells. Eating is first and foremost, and learning as much as you can about a vegan and raw vegan lifestyle and how it can benefit you and your family. Number 2 is getting outdoors. Like, I do work on my computer because I do have a business, but I focus every day on getting outside. So many people, especially now, are staying indoors. You absolutely must get outside. The sunshine, the nature, the grounding, getting yourself connected to the earth, being amongst the trees. This is what we need in order to be healthy. Then number 3 is exercise. And I'll be giving you more tips in other videos, but these are 3 biggies: the healthy whole plant vegan food, the getting outdoors, nature and sunshine, and number 3 is exercise. You've got to be moving your body. I go on long hikes on the weekends and even fit in days of walking. And even if I have a super busy day, I'll get out for a half an hour to go for a nice walk. So even just a walk is going to be great, but you need to lift some weights. I lift light weights, but my goal is also to take a heavier weight training course. I jump on a rebounder. So you want to add those things. A rebounder is a mini trampoline, and it's excellent for cleansing your lymphatic system. These are, and I've spoken about it in other videos. I think that a rebounder is one of the best things that you can get for your health. Thank you. Those are my 3 tips today for aging gracefully. And, going into my late 60s now, I am feeling really rejuvenated by these 3 important tips. And so I hope that they will also benefit you. And if you'd like to learn more, you can find out about my health coaching below in the description, and also my free masterclass on how to become a successful health coach in the vegan niche. Wonderful to be with you today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and any comments that you have, any questions, I will always try to get back to you in my comments. Like and share if you can. All my love goes to you. Have a wonderful day.